Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and sometimes last year I shared these 7 crosses, and I give these out at funerals, and this is just a picture of a face of what Jesus looks like to us, I guess. But I shared it on my Facebook page over a year ago, and hopefully some of you have used it, and if you'll just go to Corel Draw File Share and go to Files and just look for crosses. But what this video is about today, this one right here, I've always made this one for probably 10 years, and then I started making this one. And all you have to do is add somebody's name in a white area. But I've always done it like this, and that looks really good. And there's well, let me just explain. When the name's on there, you engrave it at like heavy, like 50 power and 100 power at 50 speed, and then you cut it out. You take it out of your laser, sand it, and then put it back, and then engrave the face on at like 70 power at 400 DPI, and it just barely marks it. You don't have to sand anymore. Well, this week I was making quite a few because of this virus, and I ran it in 3D. And I'm not going to say it looks that much better, but the detail in just plywood, I mean, you can see the mustache hairs more, as the waviness of a hair. I mean, even his beard kind of shows up. Now, this might have taken longer to run, but if it's, so this is pretty easy, especially at 70 speed and 400 dots per inch, it runs pretty fast. So if you have the capability to run in 3D, I ran it at 70 speed, 400 dots per inch too. I'm going to try it in the future even deeper, because you don't want to have to sand it, because you would sand some of the detail off. And this one looks equally as good. So you can and there's a couple of Last Suppers that really aren't gifts for a funeral or anything, or memorial. So all you have to do is just add names to here and add a name to there. And then I've got a couple that, the Navy, a flag, Air Force, and Marine, that you can use at your own discretion. You're not supposed to use them, but there are, well, I keep forgetting that people all around the world watch my videos. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.